Now you gotta.
Ha! I did it! That's the first time I've ever done that with a drone.
Hi, I'm Rhett.
And I'm Link.
And we're guest correspondents for Wired. We review a lot of gadgets on our channel.
And today we're excited to try out the tiniest gadgets that we could find. This appears to be a drone. It's a very tiny drone. As a matter of fact. Oh, don't turn it on yet. I gotta read some descriptions about it.
The Sema X20 mini drone is the newest drone upgraded with a 6-axis gyro quad rotocraft.
What?
One button takeoff and landing and auto altitude hold. This mini drone is very suitable for indoor playing.
Are any drones suitable for indoor playing? All right, let's read some reviews before we dig into this thing. Easiest drone for beginners, super fun. It's safe to use inside to play with my cats. 5 stars.
Too hard to handle. This mini drone for kids is not easy to handle.
Yeah.
You just cannot control it. 1 star, I would give it 0 if I could.
Let's fire this baby up.
This thing's out of control!
Hold on. Okay, that turns it, yeah, now you gotta.
Ha! I did it! That's the first time I've ever done that with a drone.
I wanna see if you can take it out of my hand. I take it out of my fingers.
Boy, that's comedy.
Let me get a little piece of that action.
First time I used it, I didn't crash it. I'm gonna give it 4 stars.
4 stars is great. I mean, this is a man that's never played with the drone. That wasn't out of control, Wah 254. Look, he went there and he came back.
4 stars. All right, what do we have here? It looks to be some sort of...
Oh, this is one of those phones before they put screens on them.
No, this is apparently the XD Wi-Fi wireless camera. The XD Wi-Fi wireless camera is the latest design in many portable cameras with upgraded night vision, intelligent motion detection, and non-stop recording, y'all. You will never miss another important moment again.
But through that?
Yeah, like I'm filming you right now. Best product I've seen ever. The night vision is incredible. You can really see at night.
Night vision.
4 stars. I can't tell what it's seeing. User
It's
Antoine.
seeing in your night areas. Piece of crap. Would not ever recommend. Waste of money. Will not connect to Wi-Fi. The app is garbage. 1 star.
Okay, so I'm actually going to connect to the app. We can see the feed here. Oh gosh.
Oh, good. That's
Do you really want to show that to the Wired viewers?
No, I don't.
Okay, so again, we got a live feed
Look.
wirelessly.
We're not alone. It's actually a pretty good resolution when it's just like,
Look at that, it's us.
I'm Rhett.
And I'm Link.
And we're Wired guest correspondents. Okay, camera of this caliber, this small, man, this is $72.
I think this is $172.
Hey, it's only 40C, now it's cheaper than I thought it was. I don't know, I can find no fault with this. This is the perfect camera. 5 stars.
Yeah, but you gotta tether it to a power supply. I don't know, it's working well. I really can't complain about that. So if this is what you want, I think you're gonna be happy with it. 4 stars.
Holy moly.
So this looks like a smart speaker.
This is a mini projector, Link. Enjoy an immersive video and audio experience
Okay.
in the comfort of your own home with the ASUS ZenBeam Latte L1 portable projector.
Latte.
Up to 3 hours of 720p video projection and speakers designed by Harman Kardon. Hey, that's a big deal.
I've heard of them.
You can transform any room into a home cinema. Very impressive. The product is good and the performance is beyond expectation. 5 stars.
Terrible purchase. Who reviewed this POS and gave it 5
you know
stars?
what?
1 star.
Okay,
All right, so
so I've wired into this computer, which has a video of us making a Wired video from the past.
It's in Inception.
Okay, so I had to hold it down.
Oh, there we go. Oh, position that right there.
Whoa! It's like automatically focusing. I'm not doing
Okay,
anything.
hit the lights. I think we're good, guys.
Okay, I'm gonna hit play over here.
Wow, I gotta say,
What do we got for audio here?
it's the picture's pretty impressive.
I think you have to be really close to it to really appreciate that. I mean, it said home cinema. You do this as a home cinema, you're gonna disappoint your whole family.
But if you're like camping or something?
But what if you're camping next to somebody who's like running a generator? Audio is leaving something to be desired, but I feel like I'm in the future that I've got something that doubles as a thermos, but does pretty quality video there.
I'm thinking $200.
I think you can get this for $169.99.
Oh.
What? Is $439?
That's pretty steep. I'm super impressed with this thing. I would give it 4 stars in my limited experience with it.
You know, did it meet expectations? It did until it doesn't sound great. So I'm gonna give it 4 stars.
Oh, this is a small one.
This is so tiny.
This is like a plastic jewel of some sort.
I think if you put it on my finger, it will automatically wrap around it's like a futuristic wedding ring. It's a mini color sensor. Scan any object or surface to find its paint match. Match wall colors to top paint brands. Yeah, we get it, we understand.
Wow, no more looking through old paint trying to figure out which shade it is. Possibly the best thing ever created. Simply love it, 5 stars.
Piece of junk, totally inaccurate. When scanning a light tan wall, it generates a dark brown result. Pathetic, ugh! 1 star.
Let's give this thing a go. This is the 2nd generation, so they've improved on it. Okay.
You know what? Let's see. Look, you do that, and I'll do my brain. Okay, I'll test. Green.
Okay, so here it is. I'm going to the Nix digital app.
So now you just put it. Scan with Nix, man. Put it on. So I'm going to say that this is green.
Putting it on the green.
Scan with Nix.
You're saying that's green?
It's green. So you take that into the
Yeah, it says
Sherwin-Williams, if you will.
57A36C, but visually it's not really.
Well,
I don't know. It's
okay. Well,
it's hard to tell.
Let's do another color.
Scan. What are you gonna say this one is?
Blue. It made this blue brighter.
You're as smart as a little piece of plastic. Try my cheek. Well, no, try my hand. Let's do my hand.
What's wrong with your cheek?
Do my forehead. Do my third eye.
Oh, it's a little greasy up here.
Okay.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Okay. Scan with Nix. You are so purple.
Oh, good gosh.
Oh.
I don't know. What does this mean?
It means you're Thanos.
I'm guessing $44.
You're not getting out of the gate for less than $111 for this thing. Oh!
Ooh. Our tests are not definitive. I'm gonna give it the benefit of the doubt. I think this is a smart and fun little thing, and I'm willing to give it a shot. I'm gonna give it 4 stars. So what is this? This is called
the mini toothpick.
Concealable titanium toothpick.
Machine from titanium alloy material that will last a lifetime. Works great as a camping tool, multi-use tool, and potentially a weapon.
I added the last part about the weapon, but I'm just inferring.
This on your keychain is awesome. How many times have you left a restaurant, no wood picks available, and have that piece of food stuck in your teeth and you're on the drive home and your tongue is working overtime to dislodge it to no avail? I've been there. Simple, discreet solution. Thank you.
You don't have
5 stars.
You don't have to thank people, William. Oh yes, there will be blood. Seriously, it's sharp. You will poke yourself and bleed. 2 stars.
Oh my god.
This is not a toothpick, this is an ice pick.
What on earth?
This is like a way to get yourself out of like a hostage situation.
Yeah, this'll get your handcuffs off, man. You could totally MacGyver this thing.
Oh, I went too high and went straight into the gum.
I mean, this is a steel needle tip.
It's like a dental tool. I'm getting the tartar off.
It's environmentally friendly. You're not throwing anything away, except for what you get out of your teeth, I guess. I usually swallow that.
Hold on, did you just admit to swallowing it?
Well, sometimes, I mean, that was what it was in there for anyway.
I spit it out regardless of where I'm at. I've spit it out at somebody's wedding before.
It's so sharp. Can we have something to test how sharp this is? Oh, okay. You're ready for this. Look at that. They instantly created it.
Okay. You hold that and
hold it right there.
Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna drop it and see if I can get it to land. Oh, bullseye! Look at that. That's crazy. Can you believe that? If that was your tooth, you'd be dead. Try to drop it from that height into the bullseye. I mean, I just impressed myself.
It's easy.
I mean, I'm not trying to gain. I got lucky the first time.
It's dangerous. I mean, if you think about a toothpick, a wooden one, they're really sharp, but they're gonna give at a certain point. You could literally kill somebody.
This is, I don't know about that.
I don't think you could fly with it.
I think that I would pay $14.99 for this.
$19.99.
$29.99? Making a killing on this thing.
I'm afraid of this thing. Of course, I'm not allowed around sharp objects normally in my life anyway. I'm gonna give it 1 star.
Listen, I'm gonna step in for the American Dental Association here. I'm not a representative, but I have been to the dentist. We do not endorse this. This is a danger to humankind, and you should stay away from it. 1 star. Sorry. Okay, that's it. That's all 5 gadgets.
They were so little, they were so cute. I'm kind of over drones, you know? I think drones are over droned.
I think that the mini camera could come in handy.
In spy situations.
Right.
I like the projector. I'm just frugal when it comes to like high ticket items, but the more I think about it, the more that I like this projector.
I'm gonna buy one of those. Can I take that with me?
You're saying no. I'm gonna have nightmares about that toothpick and the ways that I accidentally used it on myself to draw blood.
Stay away from that toothpick. I'm sorry, I don't want to be sued by the company or the American Dental Association, but stay away from that toothpick. I'm Rhett.
And I'm Link.
And we're Wired Correspondents, signing off.